everyone, here is today's problem. We are asked to find the following limits. There are a total of 3 of them, and our focus for today will be on the definition and the factorization. Please have a good try before you look at the answer. First and foremost, let's recall the f prime a as the limit of fx minus fa over x minus a when x approach a. So for the first question, we can use this definition to get the answer directly. We will let fx in this case to be x squared, and therefore f prime x equals 2x, and therefore f prime 1 equals 2. So for this limit, it just equals to the limit of x go to a, fx minus f1 over x minus 1. So this is f prime 1, and the answer is 2. So we can get the limit by using the definition. How about using the technique factorization? Well, we can do it in this way, and it is very simple. This is x plus 1, x minus 1 over x minus 1. Since x close to 1 not equals to 1, we cancel x minus 1. And sub in x equals to 1, we have 1 plus 1, that is 2. So both techniques give us the same answer 2 for this simple question. Next, look at this question. We are going using the factorization. So we will first let u6 equals to x, meaning that cube root of x equals to u to the power of 2, and square of x equals to u to the power of 3. Therefore, if we let these limits as j will equals to the limit x go to 1, u also go to 1. Cube root of x equals to u squared, then minus 1, and this is u power 3 minus 1. And now we can factorize as u plus 1, u minus 1. And for this, u minus 1, u squared plus u plus 1. Cancel out the common factors. Substitute in 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 2 over 3. So how to use the definition? There's a technique that we need to use here. That is, we write j as the limit of cube root minus 1 over x minus 1 multiplied with square root x minus 1 and this x minus 1. And we let fx to be cube root of x. So f prime x equals to 1 over 3 x to the power of negative 2 over 3. And therefore f prime 1 equals 1 over 3. And we also can let g to be square root of x. G prime x equals 1 over 2 x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Then g prime 1 equals 1 over 2. So with this, we know that the limit x go to 1, cube root of x minus 1 over x minus 1 equals the limit x go to 1, fx minus f1 over x minus 1, which is f prime 1, and that is 1 over 3. Similarly, the limit of x go to 1, square root of x minus 1 over 1, that will be the limit gx minus g1 over x minus 1 when x go to 1. That is g prime 1, and it is a half. So based on this will be 1 over 3 over 1 over 2. And therefore the answer is 2 over 3, which is the same as what we have using the idea of factorization. And we can see that the technique using factorization is easier in this question. Now, the last one, For this question, it is tedious if we are going to use factorization. So we are going to use the definition. So we will let fx to be x to the power 2026. So f prime x equals 2026 x to the power 2025. And therefore f prime 1 equals 2026. And we also let gx to be x to the power 2024 plus x to the power 67. G prime x therefore equals 2024 x to the power 2023 plus 67 x to the power 66. And therefore G prime 1 equals 2091. So the above limit, that's called K, equals limit x go to 1, x to the power 2026 minus 1 over x minus 1 times x to the power 2024 plus x to the power 67 minus 2 and over x minus 1 in this way. So the answer will be 2026 over 2091. For those who are familiar with technique in finding limit, you see that the technique using definition, it is very similar to the L'Hopital rules, which we will talk about it in next lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.